I knew I should have never clicked on this video.
And here we
So let's go on to the flight calculator. This file is really really long. I highly encourage you to take a look at some of the calculations. They're very interesting and very math heavy, kind of fun. I think I had too much fun writing, oh my gosh, all of this code.
I mean, you might have wrote a little bit of the code, but if you go to the make file right here, there's a checkmark emojis right here. She was referencing the flight calculator.cpp file and the binomial coefficient function right here. So this whole file, I mean, look at all the comments and stuff. It looks like it's generated by AI. However, she did a really good job right here to mask it. But I did some prompt hunting on different AIs, and I got some bad news. Some really bad news. So the first prompt hunt was on just ChatGPT, create me a no discard binomial coefficient recursive function, and it looks just like this. Represents the number of ways. I mean, this formula is widespread, and look at the recursive relation formula right here. Let's copy that, and you see how it says, see the comment right here, base cases? If you go to her code, you can see the base cases right there. And this is, and you can also see the same example, 5 and 2 is 10, and she added the airports. If you search for this equation, you're not going to find it. But however, if you delete these little spaces right here, they show up right here. Recursive relation, and that's exactly the ones that are right here. I mean, this formula isn't unique or anything. It's not like you can't copy this. However, it's just part of the output of it. Notice how in the comments right here in her code that she wrote, it says n choose k, right? And I was doing some more prompt hunting, and I found out on Grok, this one says the n choose k phrase right there as well. And see how it says / base cases? Also see in her code it says recursive relation and then that little formula right there. And on ChatGPT's code it says recursive step instead of relation. Bro, do people believe this shit? And here's my favorite one. We're gonna whip out the good old Unicode character. Alright, so that's the X multiplication sign, and we're gonna search in her flight calculator because we're just gonna be fair here. This is the one that she said in the video, and we found it twice right here in the comments. Dude, no developer fucking putting the Unicode instead of I just can't believe this shit, dude. I sorted by new on her comments, and I found AI written garbage. Dude, I'm glad I ain't the only one, bro. Oh my lord, I found somebody, dude. Way to go, bro. Finally, there's something out there. Finally.